welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Vishali Sharma. So in the last video tutorial, what we have studied? We have studied what is PHP, why use PHP, and some important features of PHP. So in this video tutorial, the topic is how to install PHP on Windows. So to install PHP, I would suggest to install Xampp. What is Xampp? Xampp is a software that we called as Apache MySQL PHP. So to install PHP, we should install Xampp on our systems. There are many Xampp options available that are Xampp for Windows, LAMP for Linux, Xampp for Solaris, Xampp for FreeBSD, and Xampp. Xampp is a cross-platform that we called as cross Apache MySQL PHP Perl. I would recommend to download the Xampp server on Windows. So let's see how to install the Xampp server on Windows. Kindly go to the download link provided in the description. So now we will see how to install PHP step by step on Windows. So click on the above link provided to download the Xampp server according to the window requirement. Now you will see the dialog box. It's saying your download will start automatically. So the download has been started. Save the file. Now it's downloading. Downloading is done. Now run this file. Xampp for Windows. We will see another dialog box for the setup. Click Next. Files are uploading. It will take few minutes to upload the files in the Xampp setup. Files are uploading in Xampp. It will take some time. Installing the files in the Xampp server. It will take like 10 to 15 minutes to upload the files or less according to the internet. So now half of the files are uploaded. Now the setup is going to install. It will take few seconds. It's almost done. Now the setup is being installed. It will ask for some permissions. If you have any security browser, so allow access. So installation is almost done. Now you will see the dialog box. It's saying just start the Apache and start MySQL there in the Xampp control panel. Now your Xampp panel is ready to use. After going to the download link, click Next. Select the components you want to install in the Xampp and click Next. Give the path where you want to install Xampp in your system. Now click Next and click Next. Now the setup is ready to install. Click Next. So setup is being installed. Click Finish. Now you will see Xampp control panel. So to start Apache and MySQL, go to Actions and
click Start. Start both Apache and MySQL options. Now you will see Apache and MySQL are highlighted. It means both Apache and MySQL services are now started in your Xampp server. So no errors are showing in the list. So now your Xampp server is being installed on your system.
So this is all about today's topic. Thank you so much guys. Kindly subscribe my channel and like my videos.